and welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, I sound horrible. Excuse me, you guys, I am sick. Disclaimer, this is going to be a short video because your girl got, I was gonna say the flu. I don't want to wish that upon myself. I'm a little sick, common cold, baby. But yeah, today's video is going to be, Today's video is going to be all about this hair. Period, poo, cute, whatever. All the girls at my internship keep saying they wish their curls were like mine. You know, yeah, that girl, that cute girl, that natural girl, that wake up in the morning and still look cute. Like, wake up and hair is popping. Yeah, that's me. But yeah, if you want to hear all the details about this hair, just keep watching and wait. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. I hate that I put off this video. I was supposed to film it 2 weeks ago because I've had the hair in for 2 weeks. Going on my 3rd week today, actually. But yeah, I ended up sick, so I'm gonna try not to talk as much, but I still want to give you guys the details on this hair. And yeah, sorry if I sound horrible. Okay, so while I give you guys the details on this hair, I'm gonna do my baby hairs and I'm gonna let y'all see how this hair looking. It's probably gonna look atrocious as soon as I take it out of this bonnet, but we're gonna work through that because, to tell you the truth, it's actually some good hair. So yeah, I haven't even told y'all what hair it is. It's in the title though, so y'all got it. Okay, so yeah, let's take this off and then I'll tell y'all what kind of hair this is. Okay. Do you think we can work with this? Oh, look at that. Halfway there. Basically, I just spray water on my edges just to get any leftover gel off of them. So yeah. So I cannot talk and do my hair at the same time. So this is going to be sped up. Basically, I'm just going to use this Got2b. Section out my baby hairs and then use my toothbrush wherever it is, not my toothbrush for my mouth, but use my toothbrush for my baby hairs to just swoop them over. So yeah, let's fast forward through this part. So I basically just used, I didn't have a towel or a paper towel or anything, so I just used my little tank top to get all the excess gel off of it, and now I'm about to just put my scarf on. While my hair dries, while these baby hairs get laid in place, I want to tell y'all about this hair. So basically this hair is the Afri Natural Caribbean Fox Remy Fiber Bundle Braids in the style Water Wave. It's in 12 inches and I ended up buying 3 packs, which ended up not being enough. I got 2 packs of the number 2 because they didn't have any more number 2s. So 2 packs of a number 2 and then 1 pack of a number 1. I put the 1 in the back and I put the 2s on top because I need a dark brown. I don't need a black. And I also didn't want to try a 4 because I just felt like that would look too light on me. Even though my hair is a natural, like, dark brown 4-ish. In between like a 4 and a 2. But whatever, neither here nor there. It turned out okay. And actually, I'll insert a clip of what the back looks like because y'all gonna be like, what the heck? I decided not to buy another pack because I just didn't feel like it. That's really what it came down to. So if you are trying to try this hair out, make sure you get 4 packs instead of 3. As y'all know, I have had water wave hair before, just not in this brand, the Afri Natural. I don't remember what it's called, but it's the One Pack is Enough water wave one. I'll insert that video right here. Y'all got that video to 20,000 views, so you know, get this one up there too. I just want to tell y'all real quick the pros and cons of this hair, and then I can stop talking because I sound horrible. Basically, I'm just going to start with the pros. The pros include, I love the length of the hair. I ended up cutting it, I think I cut it a little bit. I don't know if I have any clips of that, but I will insert a clip of me installing the hair. It was super easy. All y'all know how to do crochet. If you don't, look at my previous videos, all around. I'll have my crochet videos linked down below, but basically, it didn't take me no time to do this. It had to have took less than an hour, especially since I didn't have the extra pack to finish the back. Oh, look at me rhyming. Anyways, so yeah. Overall, I really like this hair. Pros include, I like the texture. I like the style. This is 2 weeks, well, 3 weeks today that I've had this hair. It's a little tangling, but it's crochet hair. I don't put my hands through this. If I want to take it apart, I just take it apart, not like actually rake my fingers through it to take it apart. It still looks good to me. The only con I have would be that this number 2 looks very dark, in my opinion. Overall, I really liked it. They actually had longer lengths and they had shorter lengths. I'm happy I got the 12 because I really like the length. But that's really about it with the pros and cons. I really like this hair. It looks very natural. A lot of people really think this is my hair, so I gotta stay in this family when I get my hair done next. So I can keep it going. But yeah, I really got this hairstyle because I wanted something that would be easy for me to just wake up in the morning, shake, and go. Since I just started my internship at the beginning of September, I was like, I cannot do this lace front every morning. Like, I can't do it. And y'all saw my last video with the ghost bond. Can't do it anymore. So yeah, since I started my internship, it's something easy for me to wake up and just go. All I have to do, sometimes I do my baby hairs at night, put the scarf on, put the bonnet on, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and be on the go. So yeah, that's what I really love about crochet styles, and that's what I really love about this hair. And yeah, I think that's about it for this hair review. So let me take this off and show y'all the final look of it. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty out.